Understanding, Holding Your Breath, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, holding your breath. This phrase can be taken literally, but it also has a figurative meaning that we encounter quite often in everyday English. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this common expression. When we talk about holding your breath, we're referring to the physical act of intentionally stopping your breathing for a short period of time. People might hold their breath underwater, during a moment of suspense, or while focusing intensely on a task. It's a natural response to various situations where breathing might be momentarily disrupted. Interestingly, the phrase, holding your breath, is often used in a metaphorical sense. In this context, it means waiting in anticipation or suspense for something to happen. It's like saying you're so eager or anxious about a future event that you're figuratively holding your breath until it occurs. However, it's important to note that when used figuratively, nobody is actually stopping their breathing. It's just a way to express a heightened state of anticipation. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal, I can't believe you were able to hold your breath underwater for more than a minute. 2. Figurative, I wouldn't hold my breath waiting for him to apologize. It might never happen. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different contexts to convey both literal and metaphorical meanings. When using the phrase, holding your breath, it's important to consider the context. If you're describing a situation that involves actual suspense or anticipation, the figurative meaning is more appropriate. However, if you're talking about a physical challenge or a moment that involves stopping your breathing, then you're referring to the literal meaning. Remember, understanding the context can help you decide which meaning of holding your breath to use in your conversations or writing. We hope this video has helped you understand the nuances of the phrase, holding your breath. English is full of such idiomatic expressions that can be perplexing at first but become clear with explanation and practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on English language learning. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of English and expanding your horizons.